Hello everyone, welcome to Little Donuts. My name is Moksha and today I'm going to show you how to draw like a small outside scenery. So let's get started. So you're going to need some oil pastels, paints, or anything that you have. And you may need a pen or a pencil. And you may need a paper, and if you're working on a very soft surface, you'll need a book. I'm using this book. You can use any book you have. I'm just using this rock for decoration and to hold it down. First, let's draw some grass. So this is very easy to make. You're just going to go like this. You can make the grass any sizes you want. You can make it very short about here. Make it about till here, or you can make it about till here or here, or you can just make it a big and small. But I'm just going for about till this part of the paper. And so you're gonna keep going with the grass until you're done. So if you don't want to make very thin grass, and you don't want the grass to look thin, you can take your oil pastel and see this. You can move it like this with a very thick motion. And it can also be faster if you use it. But I just want to do it my way, so I'm just doing it like this. If you want thin grass, you will take a pointy tip and just go like this. Point. Keep going until you're done. So when you're done with your grass, if you want to make a lake-ish thingy, like a small pond, I'm gonna show you how. So it's better if you draw the pond, because otherwise the pond will be mixed up with the sky. So you have to draw it up. I want my pond to be super big. Not so big, but big. So then about till here you should have grass about till your pond surface. And then you're gonna go with sky on the top and maybe a sun. But I'm just leaving, I'm not going to add a sky. I'm just going to go like this. Now, I can take my pen, and I want to draw a frog swimming in the pond. It's gonna be a bear head. So imagine you're drawing a circle here and two circles to make a book. But you're not gonna collect the middle or this. Then you're gonna draw a smaller circle inside it. And then one or two even smaller circles inside that. You're gonna color the big circle black. And I want to show you what I'm trying to really draw. I have a small thing that I drew long back for my school activity. I'm trying to draw something like this. So, but I don't want it to be like so big, otherwise they won't know where like the river is going. So I want it to be a pond. So I'm going for like this look, but I don't want the sky. Just want some like flowers, grass, and stuff like that. Back where it is. And if you want to add trees, you should make the trees very small so they look like they're from far away. But if you want close trees, you should make it big. You can draw like this for your frogs. And then you're gonna draw a small bottom part. You're gonna connect it up. So now you can draw a small body. So it's like a frog is floating in water. You can add a few things. Maybe some freckles near its eye. And for the hand, you should just go like this. Very thin hands. But you can make it thick too. I'm going for thick. You can make your frog brown. You can make your frog green. You can make your frog with yellow spots. So like this. And so I still actually am going to need this thing because I want to like see how I drew this frog over here because it's kind of tricky to draw frog. But if you know how to draw it, great. So now what should I draw? The pond? Let's draw some water lilies. Like this. Keep going. And then you're just gonna add more petals until you think it looks like water lily. Now let's just make a lily pad. You can add as many water lilies as you want. You can add it one petal or two petal, like however you like. Now let's add a few fishies. And you can add some rocks, some grass, like small things. And it's like if you don't add fishies, maybe you could add a jellyfish. But I don't think there are jellyfishes in the pond. So if you think if you're scared to go for a swim in the pond or in the swimming pool, don't worry. In the swimming pool, there are like literally no animals. And in the pond, like there's only fishes and other small animals like crabs. So you don't have to worry about that. So now, I'm just gonna draw more grass. That's how I want it. So you can maybe, I am going to first draw another head. It's gonna look very funny. It's better to use So if you want your frog's tongue to stick up like mine, you should leave a bit open part, but I don't want it to be like that. I'm going to make it go from the side right here. I'm just gonna start coloring the big circle. This might take a bit of time coloring the big circle because it's very small. Not so small, but it is small. It might take some time to color it. Keep coloring until you're done. If you do a mistake, that's okay. I'm adding a big smile. Then it's gonna be like, now I'm gonna draw its tongue. Now you can draw the frog's face. Now you're gonna go like this until you think it's enough, and then you're gonna draw a small little hand. You're gonna do the same for the other side. Now I am going to go here. Draw this for like showing that it's bended. Oh, I forgot that on this side. My. And now you can just collect. So this frog is gonna be brown. No, it's not gonna be brown. This frog is going to be yellow with speckles on it. And this frog is going to be green because I don't want the background to look green and the frog to look green too. I want it to be different. So now over here I made its tongue go like this. You know why? So see here, it's catching a fly. I am going to do that too. I'm just going to color its face black. If you have a black oil pastel, you can use that too. I'm just using the pen because it's kind of like fun to use the pen to color in small circles. And an oil pastel, like when you rub it on it, like see, it can kind of get it on your hands. And also, if it gets on your hands, and if you touch the paper like this, it will get rubbed up. So, but don't worry, oil pastel can come from off your hands. Now, gonna just keep. I think it's better to use the oil pastel, only if you're working with big stuff, not tiny stuff. It's already smudging. Okay, good. This is good. And make sure, if it gets on your hands, and then just rub it. It's okay, it will go off. Now, to add some wings. This is a cute fly. What else do flies have? This is what I can think of a fly, but you can add, like I said, you can add anything you want. And like you can also do this, like you can maybe add a person. I have this doll. I have it. And I want to really add a person walking here. But that doesn't look good, like a person next to a frog. But is the frog floating in air, or is it just far away? So if you draw a small frog, then if that's good to add a person because you'll know the frog is far away. But if you keep it next to here, and something else would look kind of weird, but who cares? So like, oh, maybe I could. It's gonna be like the pond is facing your way, but the pond should be facing down. It's gonna be weird, but that's okay. Now I'm gonna draw a sun. Sun, sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. By the way, here's the drawing that I drew, the hummingbird. So now let's see what else should we draw. Maybe that's, oh no, I broke it. It's okay. Oh no, it's broken. It's really actually broken. Like if you go like this and push it really hard, don't do it. Otherwise the lid will break. So next, what should I draw? Do I want to draw a tree or do I not want to? I'm going to draw a butterfly. And here is an easy way to draw one. I'm gonna add some wings and let's add more animals. Let's think of some. A bunny? No. Let's add a bird. Yeah, I didn't add one on this page. Timed it so hard. Dance, mommy, dance, mommy, dance. Oops. And if you want to draw a body, you go like this. Dance, mommy, dance, mommy, dance, mommy, dance all day. Okay, this is going to be the sky. No. That's going to be like lines, wind, going, wind. Forgot. I'm not going to draw a sky. What other animals should we draw? Should we draw an alligator just walking ready to eat the frogs? No, that would be, because alligator would be so small and the frogs would be so big. That's not a tree. No. I said no trees in. No trees. Oh no, I did a mistake. It's okay, I can fix it up. By just making it grass. I just was like making grass. I actually want to add a sky, so I'm gonna do it later. What should I draw? I really wanted to add a person, but no. Should I add a house? No. I'm gonna add a living thing. A unicorn? No. I don't. What about a chipmunk? Let's try that. I'm not so good at drawing chipmunks. I was, but I forgot how to draw it. But if I'm not good at it, don't draw a chipmunk. First, watch how I draw a chipmunk. Because your drawings might turn out very bad if I draw. Okay, so I'm trying my best to draw a chipmunk. And I hope I did it! Whoa, cheers! And the crowd goes wild. It kind of looks weird, but it turned out kind of good. So if you want to draw the tail first, you're first going to draw an S like that. You can see the S. I don't think the camera's picking it up. Can you see me? The camera's not picking the S up. I think it's very light. Okay, let me draw. So first an S and then a teeny curve for a squirrel. Should I draw a tree? Draw a tree. Okay, fine, I'll draw one. Okay. Oops, it was singing again. Okay, now, oh my, this is prints of me drawn. Wait, I never drew a heart. Oh, it may be of the drawing I drew. Oh, that's the tree bark. Let's draw a nest. Maybe, so that's a daddy bird bringing food to its nest. It's a worm. Here, and don't forget the tail. Here is a baby bird. So like this, a thing. I'm not so good at drawing in small chirp. To draw mom, you're just gonna draw the same face, a small body like this, and like a body here. Chirp, 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 chirp. And that's probably it. I really want to add a sky, so I am going for it. Sorry for the people who didn't want me to draw a sky. I'm gonna color one, not so bad. First, I'm gonna mark it. So this is the place where the sky is gonna be. All this is sky, pure mature sky. This is all grass. Now, time to color. First, just make some lines. And an easy way to color is you just draw designs and just color up the whole background, the color you want. Oh, I'm leaving. I think a package, the doorbell rang. That's why the door opened. Wish we weren't stuck at home. I can only make the drawing videos. But I do go outside sometimes, like to go for a walk in my neighborhood, only for those stuff. But I don't go a lot, but I don't go outside so much. Color. Okay, Froggy, ready to turn? Green. Okay, everyone. In a second, I'm coloring this frog, right? In a second, this frog would be finished. 1, 2, done. Ooh, I forgot. I still need the green. Oh, silly me. Ow. It feels so bad touching oil pastel. And don't draw on your skin with this or keep these in your mouth. Don't give these to the babies. Does it say on the bottom? Oh, I forgot. Does oh, what is it? Oh no, I colored the tree. But who cares? Brown oil pastels, they can work. I first better color the tree before I color more. My drawing is not making sense at all. I do not think it makes sense, but it looks great. It's like a real one. Oh my. I hope none of the... Oh, it's on the grass. Please, but who can? Oh, this chipmunk is not even making sense anymore. So, I'm just gonna like pretend it's a brown rock because it looks terribly bad. It looks terribly bad. I'm not on my chair. Up. If you use a dark color to color, if you do a mistake and you already have lots and lots of rocks, you could fix that mistake. I just didn't add a rock in my picture, and I see very big rocks outside. Oh, bow, low. The funniest thing I think I ever done is keep the brown in the greens. What if someone say, hey, if someone uses these pastels, what if someone said, hey, why is there brown in the greens? Oh, do they mix the colors? No. I just mistakenly keep it there. That would be bad. Okay. Ow, I got scraped here today. It still hurts. Can you see it? I got scraped. Like, when you open the door, there was like a small, like, on the back door of mine, there's like a small bricks that are making another house. And that bricks, it scraped me today when I was getting back inside the house. Those bricks, they scraped. Naughty bricks. Well, it was, of course, my fault that I went there. Oh my. Guess what? I have broken oil pastels. And, like, they're so small. The biggest, I call it these two. This is the medium. This is the baby one. Oh, baby. Mommy, Daddy, this is the baby. It's so hard to color. Let's also color in this bird, the color. Oh my god. I guess Daddy Bird is huger than the Mama and Baby Bird. Just kidding. The Daddy Bird is... The bird, Mama Bird and Baby Bird are big. Their tree is very far away from here. No, it looks very close. Just kidding. The nest is far. The branch from it is far. Like, it just color up. I don't want to color sky. I'm just gonna leave it white because it's like coloring grass. It takes you about 100 minutes. Sorry, it doesn't take me 100 minutes. Why do I like singing while I draw? Ow, 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 it hurts. The scrape over here hurts a lot. Oh, I even got a spot there. I'm working. I'm just gonna color around the bird very, very lightly. Chirp. I'm just gonna color on the frog. This frog, I'm actually gonna make it green. this is the fourth time I am drawing another scenery. No, this is like the 10th time I'm drawing a scenery. No, this is the 11th time. Yeah, 11th time that I'm drawing a scenery. There's so many. But I think I threw them in the garbage because, I don't know, we didn't have room for them. I'm not coloring the sky. Oh, God. Okay. Now, I just am going to color the river and the sun and the butterfly, and I'll be done. Let's see if I could color this butterfly in 10 seconds. I'll be counting while I close the camera. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, it felt hot in there. I had to cover it with my hand, and it's so warm and great. It feels so cold. It feels like my blankie. And well, the butterfly is done. Okay, now I just need to color on the river. I think one small pastel will be enough for the whole river, or two maybe. I'm trying to color this whole river. Ow, 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 ow. This pastel. I'm just coloring. First, let me color the fish orange because they're goldfish. If anyone has a goldfish, you know how their color is. They do have yellow in them, but let's want them orange. Ooh, I could have drawn a clownfish, but it would be too dear. Oh yeah, I need the fish really big. Ooh, because of that green color, my ocean is green. It's maybe the blood from a spider. The spider blood is green, or is it red? But it's a blood from like an animal that died in the river. Well, maybe it fell in it. Okay, why did I say that? Keep coloring. So I want to use that big chunk. It's really hard to color with the little ones. Keep coloring. Keep coloring. Baby orange fish, baby goldfish, baby goldfish, baby goldfish, mommy goldfish, mommy goldfish, Bobby goldfish, mommy goldfish. Daddy goldfish, daddy goldfish, daddy goldfish, daddy goldfish. And done. Oops. We should not forget about the main thing. That is sun. If people thought that was a moon, they thought, why is the sky white? The sky should be only white in the mornings. That's why. So, sun is the most important part. Also, the sky will have to be black. There will be no bird, no nest chirping, no butterflies, no frog, and it'll be so dark if they were all there. So, the sun is the most important part. Okay, and let's get to... So these are my two drawing that I made from my past drawing. Like it was like a month ago. So this my art teacher, who said draw an art background, and I took like a pencil. Just say this is a pencil, and I started like first thing I drew was this lake. Just drew a lake, I added some lily pads, rocks, and a grass. I forgot fishies. And a frog here, mud, a grass, trees, this, a sun, a this. Hope nothing broke. Okay, so this is my drawing, and I hope you like drawing with me today. And I hope you enjoy this video. See you next time on Little Donuts. And by the way, my name is Smoke. Bye. Ow, my forehead hurts when I off the camera. Ah.